Hello, Driving Intelligence community. For those of you that follow because of my SVO Mustang, it's been a couple years since I've actually done any work on this thing. I've started getting the battery box back in order. There's going to be a future video about this because it's a little odd, but I taped all this off and painted it because there was a little bit of rust in there that I wanted to prevent from happening again. I just used a good old Rust-Oleum. And now I've got to get the interior door panel back in. I took that out as well as a lot of the interior in the back here to get the side body panels out. It's kind of dark in there, but these are bolted from the inside behind all the interior trim. So I had to take that out, and that's going to go back in shortly. And I've done some work on the interior door panel. Now here's a vapor barrier, and I put some new insulating material on here. I got that from Late Model Restoration. They don't sponsor me. I pay regular price for it. But I got the thing all cleaned up. It was filthy, about an inch worth of dust on here. But it's looking good, nice and clean. And I'm going to get this thing running. I've already actually had it running. It started without flaw after 2 years of sitting up on top of this lift. And it's definitely time to get it driving again. So a little bit more work to do to it. Mostly it's just interior trim, and I've got piles of screws I got to organize to get this thing back together. Anyway, I was really excited when I saw it outside because of the cleaning I did, and in the sun it just looks great. It's a gorgeous car. For those of you who don't know, they only made these 84 to 86. It's got the turbocharged engine in it. And I've done some modifications. I've never gone inside the engine, but obviously you can see I've done some other modifications here with front mount intercooler, some underdrive pulleys, and upgraded alternators, a whole list of things. I'll link the video where I talk about all the things I've done to this car previously in the description of this video. And just thought, quick update, see if anybody's interested. If you are, give me that thumbs up. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.